Hi family, so let's just begin. So first I'm going to be using my primer to set the face, and I'm just going to apply it like that. And like you've seen, I'm going to be showing you how to use your contour palette as your eyeshadow. If you don't have an eyeshadow palette, it's okay, I got you covered. So I realized that I have applied a lot of primer. That's why my face looks oily, but that is not a problem at all. So I'm going to leave this for some time to set it in, and then I'm going to be ready to do my eyes. And I'm using my Pro Concealer. I don't remember the shade, but I'm going to check it for you guys. And personally for me, I like using my fingers to blend in the concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I'm going to use my finger to blend it in, and do not drag the finger, just tap in and it's going to blend perfectly. So after blending in, like I promised, I'm going to show you how to use your contour palette to do your eyeshadow. And from the palette now, I'm going to use my first shade, which is written translucent, and I'm going to tap it in on the outermost part of my eye. Did I just drawing anyway? Yeah. So now I'm going to do the cut crease. I'm not going to like draw it. I'm just going to tap in the concealer at the front part, the inner front part, and then I'm going to be using the next shade in my contour palette. So yeah. Next, we are going to do the inner part where I've done the cut crease, and I'm going to use natural shade from my contour palette. And using a brush, I am just tapping it in. I would advise you not to drag the brush, rather the beauty blender, rather the finger when you're doing eyeshadow. The best way to make the eyeshadow stick on your eyes is by tapping. So I'm gonna do that for this eye and the other eye. Okay, so now using that brush, I don't know the number or shape, I'm going to do my eyeliner. And for my eyeliner, I don't really know how to extend the wing, so I just do what is comfortable for me. If you know how to, better for you. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner so that then I prepare to do my mascara and the rest of the makeup parts. Okay, so for my foundation, I usually use a damp beauty blender, and I always prefer using a beauty blender than using the brush. I have tried using brushes, but I feel like beauty blenders work for me very well in terms of blending. And this foundation is a full coverage. It is doing a very nice job, and it hasn't given me any side effects, because previously I was using Black Up, but now I'm using a new one and it's really working for me. And I'm just going to tap it in until I blend all of the foundation. And when you're blending the foundation, please take your time, because that is where the game is. After the eyebrows, eyeshadow, and everything else, the foundation is another game that you need to do very well. So just take your time when blending. I always take my time when I'm blending my foundation, because I know if it doesn't blend very well, I'll be looking funny. Yeah. Okay, someone was intruding me here. So let me take this opportunity to kindly request you to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much for the love that you've shown me, guys. We are almost at 500 subscribers, and it's purely by the grace of God and the love that you're showing me here. May God bless you so much. Please consider subscribing, and I promise to be consistent. I pray that God gives me grace to be consistent, to keep on growing us, and we shall reach there. See you. For my lips, most of the time you might not see me doing lipsticks, like I fear. So I usually do nude, rather can do a nude look. Most of the time I'll use my concealer to do my lips, and then I'll actually, if I don't do my concealer, I usually use my lip gloss and I'm good to go. But for the sake of you guys, if you even want me to do a black lipstick, I'll do it for you. Yeah, so here I'm just using my concealer as my lipstick, and it usually looks very well, especially if you're going for a nude look. It does marvelous work. Yeah. So I'm just applying my lip gloss, and guys, I feel like this look is fair enough to have it for a wedding. If you're a bride, the only thing that is not here for a bride is the lashes, but I feel like this one is very nice. And my final look, wow, I love it. So the only thing that is not here is the lashes. So if you have the lashes, you can actually do this look for a wedding look. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe, and I love you so much. Bye.